So our oral care trio, it comes with a natural fluoride-free mouthwash, it comes with the oxy pulling, and it also comes with a tooth powder. So they come in different sizes. If you are one person, then all you need is going to be a 16 ounce and maybe a 2 ounce, but I like to go with the 4 ounce no matter what. A 2 ounce tooth powder and 16 ounce mouthwash and oxy pulling. That's gonna last you about 30 days, okay? And then if you wanna step it up, if you want it every 60 days, then you get the 32 ounces. So you get the jumbo sizes for one person. Now, if you have 2 people in the household, then you would wanna do the 32 ounce plus a 4 ounce tooth powder. So our oral care trio is unlike anything that you have ever had before or have experienced before, because normal toothpaste is just normal toothpaste, Listerine is Listerine. This is nothing like that. Sure, it says mouthwash, but it's not used like mouthwash. It is used in combination with our tooth powder. So let's figure out how we use all 3 of these together. The very first step number 1, is to use our oxy pulling. Oxy pulling is gonna clean and prep your mouth to be washed prior to brushing your teeth. So you wanna start off with a clean slate. You don't want to start off with all the bacteria in your mouth, the morning breath, all those germs that you shouldn't be swishing around and brushing that without first prepping your mouth to be brushed. Step number 1 is going to be our oxy pulling. You shake it really well and you want to make sure everything is mixed well. And then you squirt about a mouthful or whatever's comfortable inside your mouth, maybe a ½ ounce to an ounce of our oxy pulling in your mouth. This is your very first step before you even brush your teeth. And then you swish it around. You gargle for about 20 to 30 seconds. Don't do it too long, because you know when you're doing it too long when it starts affecting your taste buds, okay? So you're gonna spit that out. You're gonna use warm water to rinse out your mouth. Boom. Now all the bacteria and everything inside of your mouth is totally gone, and you're starting off with a clean, fresh slate, ready to really deep clean your mouth using our tooth powder and also our mouthwash. So with our mouthwash and tooth powder, you're gonna shake the mouthwash very well, because all the essential oils are sitting at the top. We do not use emulsifiers or anything like that. Everything's 100% natural. So natural things, you gotta shake it. Shake it really well. Do about a mouthful again, whatever's comfortable in your mouth. And then you wanna open this up. They normally come with some sort of seal to it. Okay, and now you're going to use about a quarter of a spoonful. This is as much as I use. My wife, I think she only uses about this much. You know, you can use this much if you want to, but I like to really get in there, and I like to use about that much every single time I brush. And I brush twice a day. So number 1, you're going to shake this really well. You're going to shake the mouthwash very well. You're going to put a mouthful of mouthwash in your mouth. You're going to put about a quarter of a teaspoon of tooth powder in your mouth, along with the mouthwash, and then you're going to swish it around your mouth, both of them. Then you're going to take your toothbrush. I highly recommend using an electronic toothbrush, a Philips Sonicare to be exact, because the head just vibrates like this, versus you having to do, saw in your mouth with a regular toothbrush. It's gonna get really messy really quick. So if you use an electronic toothbrush, it just vibrates. So it goes, and you're just going around your mouth. But if you're using a normal toothbrush, just brush your teeth as you normally would for about a minute. And then after a minute's done, and then you'll just let it all out. All the liquid, mouthwash, and tooth powder will come out of your mouth. And then you continue to brush your teeth. You're gonna spot clean here and there. And then you're gonna brush your tongue, you're gonna brush your gums, you're gonna brush the inside of your cheeks, okay? And then you're gonna spit, you're gonna rinse with lukewarm water, and you are done. So first step is oxy pulling, swish this about 20 seconds. Second step is adding mouthwash and then adding tooth powder. Combine those 2 together inside your mouth, swish it, and then brush your teeth for about 2 minutes. And brush your tongue, brush your gums, brush your inside of your cheeks. And that is how you use our natural mouthwash and tooth powder. Thank you so much.